What if I told you your entire personality could change in just 30 days? Sounds impossible, right? But your brain doesn't care about motivation. It rewires itself through repetition. The illusion of motivation: most people fail to change because they chase motivation. They wait for the perfect day to start working out, studying, or meditating. But the brain doesn't need inspiration. It needs patterns. Neuroscience shows that when you repeat an action every day, neurons begin to wire together, a process called Hebbian learning. Neurons that fire together, wire together. In short, consistency beats motivation. That's why habits built in 30 days last longer than any burst of inspiration. Your brain literally starts building shortcuts, turning effort into automation. Ask your viewers, what's one thing you wish felt automatic instead of exhausting? The 30-day window. So why 30 days? Psychologists say it's roughly the time your brain needs to move a behavior from the conscious to the subconscious level. The first 10 days are friction. Your brain fights back. Days 11 to 20, the resistance fades. Days 21 to 30, the new pattern becomes identity. But here's the catch. Most people quit before day 10, exactly when change is about to begin. Think of it like training a muscle. The first reps burn, the later ones build strength. Every time you repeat a habit, your brain wraps that neural pathway in myelin, making it faster and easier to activate. So after 30 days, you're no longer forcing the habit, you're becoming it. Why habits rewire your brain? Your brain is an energy-saving machine. It automates anything repeated often enough to free up mental bandwidth. This process happens in the basal ganglia, a deep region that stores routine behaviors. When you form a habit, say, journaling every night, the prefrontal cortex, decision-making, slowly hands the job over to the basal ganglia. That's why you can drive home without thinking. It's neural automation. The 30-day rule is simply the bridge between conscious effort and subconscious mastery. And here's the bonus. When one habit forms, it triggers a domino effect. Your brain, loving the dopamine from success, starts craving more structure. That's how one new habit, like waking early, can spiral into a full identity shift. Which habit do you think could create your domino effect? The identity shift. The real goal isn't just doing something for 30 days. It's becoming someone who does it. James Clear calls this identity-based habits. When you stop saying, "I'm trying to be disciplined," and start saying, "I'm a disciplined person," your brain rewires accordingly. Because identity guides behavior. So don't focus on the results. "I want to lose weight." Focus on the identity. "I'm the type of person who doesn't miss workouts." In those 30 days, every small action is a vote for the person you're becoming. And by day 30, those votes form a new self-portrait in your brain. How to apply it right now? Here's a simple framework. Pick one habit, not 5. Attach it to an existing routine, like brushing your teeth or morning coffee. Keep it stupid simple, 2 minutes at first. Track your streak visually. Your brain loves progress. Never miss twice. Because missing once is a mistake, missing twice is a new pattern. If you stay consistent for 30 days, you'll literally see behavioral plasticity at work, your brain's structure adapting to your actions. And that's the real magic of self-improvement. It's not about changing your life overnight. It's about changing your wiring over time. Closing hook forward. So next time you see someone who seems naturally productive or confident, remember, it's not genetics. It's repetition. You can train your brain to become that person in 30 days. Because every action you repeat is a message to your neurons. This is who I am now. So, what will your brain believe after the next 30 days?